Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and this is the last of my Festive Friday projects for 2023. It's another quick and easy chocolate treat holder, and if you've missed any of the other Festive Friday projects, then you can check them out by clicking on the description for this video, and there will be a link to the playlist with all of the videos. So this started in the beginning of September, and we're just 10 days away from Christmas when this goes live, so I think that's enough. Not only because I am running out of things that are still in stock, but I've actually got my brand new pre-order from the next catalogue, and I'm itching to get started on that and be finished with Christmas crafting. So this contains 3 Merci chocolates. I picked this up in Tesco in the UK, and it was one of their Tesco Club Card deals, so it was nice and cheap, which is what I like for little chocolate treat gifts. So this does actually stand up as well, so you could put a name on there for your Christmas tables, or just give this as a nice little treat to say Merry Christmas to somebody, and particularly to thank somebody, because I think we need to do that at Christmas. Lots of people are very stressed with their work, especially delivery drivers, post office counter staff, waitresses, everybody. So, as I say, quick and easy project. I've got a piece of Pretty Peacock card that is 2.5 inches wide by 6 inches long. Okay, and I'm just going to do a little bit of scoring with that. I'm going to score it first of all at 1 3/4 inch, then 2 1/4, and that is it. Easy peasy. Okay, so just fold those lines. So this is me got my Christmas nails done. I like a bit of glitter. So this is paper from the A Walk in the Woods Designer Series paper pack, and at the time of recording that, it is still in stock in the European markets. So this piece measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/2, and that is going to go on the inside of the holder. If I can get my glue to, there we go. So I hope you're all organised for Christmas, assuming you celebrate. That's all in there. I am nowhere near organised. But I'm getting there. It'll all come together in the end. And it's only a day. It's only one day. I have bought all my gifts now, I think. Don't think I still need to buy anything else. I haven't wrapped anything, but never mind. Okay, so I'm going to put my chocolates inside. So I've got 3 that fit in there nicely, and just to hold them in place, I'm going to put some mini glue dots just along the middle there. If I can find my take your pick tool. I think I've actually lost a take your pick tool in all the chaos of Christmas crafting. I think there might be a little fairy that comes and steals the most useful things in your craft room at Christmas. I think tempt you onto the naughty list. Right, so just 3 little glue dots there, and my chocolates will sit there. Now what I did with them is actually turned them around so that keep the flavours a surprise. Okay, and then that just pops up there. We've got a 2 3/8 of an inch circle with Pretty Peacock, and I've got a bear from the same paper pack, A Walk in the Woods, that I punched with the Very Cute punch. I couldn't show you me doing that because I don't have any of that paper left. I just had some that I'd already punched. So 2-inch circle with just white card, and I've got this tiny cute little Merry Christmas stamp which comes from Cottage Wreaths, which has been around for a while, and just stamp that on there. Hadn't inked that terribly well, just as well. It's got 2 sides up in that corner. That's better. Pop that away. And then it's just a case of gluing this one onto this one. And then my little bear from the paper. Love that you can get decorations straight from your designer series paper. That on there, and then he is going to sit on there. So I'm only going to put glue on the kind of bottom third, really. Just centre him on there, like that. Good, good, good. Just double check if no glue oozing. I don't. Lovely. And on this one I used Garden Green, absolutely everything. I don't have any Pretty Peacock ribbon, but I do still have a tiny bit left of this sheer ribbon. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. Yeah, I should know by now because that's all I've got left. You'd think I'd know it. So I just wanted to do a quick tie on that. Not even a bow. There we go. Lovely. And you can play about with that. Happy with where you've got it. Put it in the middle this time, actually. Given that this one's more see-through. And we've gone bigger. Bigger and bolder. There we go. And my final bit was to add some little sequins. So we'll go a biggie, a littly. So you could make these super, super quickly as just little treats to hand out to anybody that you think needs a little cheer and a little thank you. Or as I say, you could sit them. That one doesn't want to. There we go. You could sit them on your Christmas table too. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've enjoyed my whole Festive Fridays tutorial theme. And if you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to click on that subscribe button. And I hope you'll pop back for the next video I upload. See you soon. Bye.